Okay, so we are to make u the subject of this formula. What does it mean? It means that we should try to isolate u, that is, separate it from every other letter, make it stand alone. We should have something like u equals, as simple as that. Now, how do we achieve that? We identify some of the problems in the equation. First of all, this lm over k is added to this term of u, so we have to get rid of it. Then also, u has a coefficient of l, get rid of it. It has 25, get rid of it. It has a square, get rid of it. Then that's that. Now, before we continue, whenever we see denominators in a question like this, what we should try to do at first is to eliminate the denominators. That's going to be a big hindrance to us. So how do we do that? We multiply through by the LCM of the denominators, which is 25k. Multiply each term by 25k. So we have d times 25k equals lm over k times 25k plus lu squared over 25 times 25k. So k cancels k, 25 cancels 25. We have gotten rid of the denominators. Now we'll be left with d times 25k, that's 25dk equals to 25 times lm, 25 lm plus KLU squared. Now I've gotten rid of denominators. What is the next problem? U has an added term, 25 lm. Let's get rid of it by transposing. So we take 25 lm to the other side, it becomes negative. Then we have 25 dk minus 25 lm equals KLU squared. Yes, we are doing very good. Now the last problem is KL, a coefficient. That's a coefficient KL. And how do we eliminate coefficients? We divide both sides by KL, or we divide through by KL. So we have over KL over KL over KL. So KL cancels KL. And also K cancels K, L cancels L. So we are left with 25D all over L minus 25M all over K equals U squared. Now the last problem is this power. We have to get rid of this square. How? We take the square root of both sides. So we have square root of 25d all over L minus 25m all over K equals to U. Are you getting it? Now we can stop here as our final answer because we have isolated U. But now we still have to simplify this because we can simplify this further. We have two fractions. So let's flip it first. We have U equals 25m all over k. We have done nothing, we just flipped it. Now we can find the LCM of these two fractions. So we have u equals square root of LCM of lk is what? KL. So KL divided by L is k. K times 25d is 25dk minus k divided by k. K cancels k rather. So L times 25m is 25ml. Now we are almost there. We can factorize 25 out. So let's do that as our last step. Finally, we'll now have u equals to square root of 25dk minus ml all over kl. Final answer. Very simple. I hope we understand this. Any question we have, let's drop it in the comment section. Thank you.